You're tired, aren't you? It's 2026. You've spent the last 3 years watching prices go up, hearing about the next big AI coin, and feeling like no matter how hard you work, the finish line keeps moving further away. You see people on social media making millions from their bedrooms, and then you look at your bank account and feel that sharp, cold knot in your stomach, that feeling of being left behind. I know that feeling. I've been there. You feel like you're running a race on a treadmill that's set just a little bit too fast. But what if I told you that the richest man in history isn't faster than you? He's actually slower. Today, we are talking about the Warren Buffett Rule for 2026. It's not a math formula, it's a psychological shield. If you can master this one rule, you will stop chasing the market and start owning it. By the end of this video, you won't just have a strategy, you'll have your peace of mind back. Don't click away, because the second half of this rule is the only reason Buffett survived the 2008 crash, the 2020 pandemic, and the 2025 AI bubble. Let's get into it. The two lists strategy, the morning mindset. In the morning, your brain is a battleground. You wake up, check your phone, and within 30 seconds, 50 different people are telling you what to care about. Buffett has a famous exercise he gave to his pilot. It's called the 5-25 rule. Our brains suffer from decision fatigue. Every time you think about a maybe project, you leak energy. You think you're being productive by having 25 goals. Science says you're just paralyzed. I want you to take a piece of paper right now. Write down the 25 things you want to achieve in finance and life this year. Now circle the top 5, just 5. Here is the part that hurts. The other 20, they aren't your secondary goals. They are your avoid at all cost list. In 2026, distractions are higher than ever. To be an ultra investor, you have to be a monk of focus. If it isn't in your top 5, it's a trap. It's the shiny object that keeps you poor. The moat of the mind. The afternoon execution. By midday, the world is trying to steal your capital. In Australia, in India, in the US, the noise is the same. Buy this, short that. Buffett's rule for 2026 is simple. Invest in the moat, not the hype. A moat is a competitive advantage, but in 2026, the most important moat isn't a company's patents, it's your skill set. The Lindy effect suggests that the longer something has survived, the longer it is likely to survive. Gold, land, and fundamental skills, like writing or coding, are Lindy. Hype cycles are not. Ask yourself, if the internet went down for a month, would my value still exist? The ultra investor spends 80% of their afternoon building their own value, and only 20% looking at tickers. When you are high value, you don't fear the market, you are the market. The wait for the fat pitch, the evening reflection. Evening is when the poor mindset creeps in. It's when you feel lonely or bored and decide to just check the crypto prices or the ASX 200. Buffett says investing is like a game of baseball where there are no called strikes. You can stand at the plate for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, and the umpire won't call you out. You only swing when the ball is exactly where you want it. Dopamine makes us want to act, but in finance, activity is the enemy of returns. Tonight, before you sleep, look at your watch list. If nothing is at a legendary price, do nothing. Go to sleep. Winning in 2026 isn't about how many trades you make, it's about how many bad trades you didn't make. I want to tell you something your friends might not. It's okay to be slow. We live in a world that rewards fast, but the bank rewards correct. You aren't failing because you aren't a millionaire at 22. You are building a foundation. A skyscraper takes years to build underground before you ever see a single floor reach the sky. You are in the underground phase. Don't rush the concrete. Let it set. I believe in you. Not because of your bank balance, but because you're here, watching this, trying to sharpen your mind while everyone else is scrolling through brain rot. That alone makes you an outlier.